Hello, good morning, friends. See here, we are discussing about the problem number 18, which is taken from SC Verba textbook. Some equations are on the whiteboards. That equation, first equation is H is equal to 2s cos theta upon r rho g. We already proved it using dimensional analysis and it is correct. Second equations, that is velocity is equal to under root rho p upon rho. So these equations also we solved and it is dimensionally correct. In our previous lectures we have seen that is the volume is equal to pi p r to the power 4t upon 8 eta into L. So these equations is also dimensionally correct, which we prove it. Now our last problem is remaining here. So today we have to solve this last problem, that is nu is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root mgl upon I. So first of all, concentrate on the parameters of these equations. So see the parameters of this equation. This nu stands for frequency. Then 1 by 2 pi, this term is constant. So constant term is dimensionless. So it has no dimension. No dimension. Small m stands for what? Mass. G stands for acceleration due to gravity. L stands for length. And I stands for moment of inertia. So see here, these are the parameters which are given to the equations. So these are the parameters, that is nu stands for what? Nu stands for what? Frequency. Then 1 by 2 pi, that is it is constant, and if term is constant then it has no dimension. Small m stands for what? Mass. Then g, acceleration due to gravity. L, that is length, and I stands for moment of inertia. So what we have to do here? So first of all, find the dimensions of given physical quantities. So let us start to find the dimensions of physical given quantity. So frequency, first physical quantity is frequency, that is nu is equal to reciprocal of time period. So here nu stands for what? Reciprocal of time period. So nu is equal to 1 by t. We already seen that is frequency is nothing but just it is a reciprocal of time period. So just we have to writing 1 by t, and 1 by t means what? That is 1 by t1, and this t1 becomes minus t1. So this is about the dimension of frequency. So dimension of frequency is nu is equal to t to the power minus 1. So nu is equal to t to the power minus 1 is here. Then another next quantity, that is 1 by 2 pi, is already constant. So it has no dimension. So m, mass. So dimension of m, that is m1. So you have to write the dimension of mass m1. Then g, acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, we have already calculated the dimension of acceleration due to gravity, that is L1 t minus 2. So just you have to write it. Then length, we always use the dimension of length is equal to L1, and capital I stands for, see, many students confuse capital I, and capital I means what? Current. But here volume and frequency. We already solved all the 4 problems. Okay, so one problem is remaining, that is problem number 19, and which we will solve tomorrow. Okay, so till then, thanks.